Today I'm going to be making ramen noodles. You can get any flavor you would like. I chose chicken flavored ramen noodles. You will need a bowl half full and a fork, and of course a microwave. Microwave on 4 minutes, and we will put the chicken flavored packet on it when we are finished. We are finished with the noodles. We're going to dump some of this water out. Okay, so we have our noodles here. Okay, we drained our water out of the noodles. We're going to get our packet and we're going to dump that in there like so. There we go. See, people can just mix it in and they leave it as it is, but me, I personally like extra pepper in mine. I like a lot of pepper and seasoned salt to give it some flavor, and a little bit of hot sauce like that. Mix that up. And that water absorbs the seasonings. So make sure you leave a little water at the bottom. Okay, and you have your ramen noodle from the microwave. Okay.